Previously, we discussed one of the most consistent errors we see small businesses make when it comes to marketing, failing to define their target audience. If you missed that video, go ahead and check it out. There'll be a link down below. Essentially, your business needs to have its target audience. This is a group of personas that define who you should target in your marketing campaigns and why. These personas should have names, likes, interests, hobbies, etc. You should know also what makes them tick, what makes them energized, what ticks them off, why. These are going to be writing prompts for your social team, your content team, your SEO team, your PR team, and they're really important at helping understand the core nature, values, and fundamentals for the people that matter most, your ICP, ideal consumer persona. The idea here is that there are customers out there awaiting you that represent great opportunities for your team. They're exciting to work with. They're also kind to you and your teammates. They want to buy more from you. They want to refer you to others. They pay you on time. Those are the types of people you should be targeting as a business, but your marketing efforts have to know how to speak to them. And that's your target persona. So what's next? It's time to define your campaigns. As a business owner, you've probably said something like this. I hear business X is doing this cool new thing. We should do the exact same thing. And then your team goes off on a copycat initiative on top of the 100 other ideas that you've told them to chase. Shiny ball syndrome, right? You've now added another facet to your marketing endeavors, but you haven't established how you're going to measure success, when it should start, and when it should end. Marketing without clearly defining your campaigns is like watching a hamster endlessly spin on its wheel without a break. Without specific start and end dates and SMART goals, you can find yourself trapped on a never-ending loop of marketing activities without tangible results to back it up. Having a start and end date also facilitates setting goals, measurements, and with a clear timeline, you can establish specific objectives. You can track progress, evaluate success of your campaign along the way. It enables you to gauge the impact of your marketing efforts, calculate your return on investment or ROI, and make informed decisions about future strategies, which liberates yourself from the endless loop. Audience engagement is another benefit of time-bound campaigns. Limited time offers, exclusive promotions that generate excitement and interest among your target audience. When a deadline looms, people are more inclined to take immediate action, feeling that they're going to miss out on a valuable opportunity. This urgency can boost conversions, drive sales higher, and customers are going to be motivated to make decisions promptly, finally moving beyond the spinning wheel of indecision. This engagement can accelerate brand awareness, foster loyalty, and increase customer involvement. Lastly, setting a start and end date to your campaigns along with SMART goals also promotes resource efficiency. With a predetermined time and scope, you can evaluate your campaign's performance, identify strengths and weaknesses, allocate resources wisely for future endeavors. By breaking free from the hamster wheel, you can maximize the impact of your marketing initiatives and achieve tangible results, moving forward to new horizons. By setting goals and clearly defining your campaigns, you can ensure your marketing dollars are more efficiently spent, that you have a barometer for successful campaigns, and a reason to celebrate when you hit your goals. So those are our tips for how to define your marketing campaigns, setting up goals, and why time-bound marketing efforts with SMART goals baked in are going to be an excellent resource allocation technique to make sure that you have ROI on every dollar spent. If you like what you saw today, make sure to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.